Hey there friends, I've got a special treat for y'all. We're doing a property tour in Inlet Beach, exclusively in Inlet Beach today. If you don't know, Inlet Beach is all the way on the east end. It's right past 38, actually, right before you get to Panama City Beach. But we're going to be checking out a few really nice properties down here, Gulfront, starting here in Lupin Beach. Alright, starting off the tour at 40 West Lupin Beach. The team is somewhere inside this building. Let's go find them. Nice epoxied garage floors. How convenient. Are there any members of the Live 38 team in here?
No, go away.
Good morning, everybody.
As is walking up here.
Of course, of course. Oh, it's very crispy in here. 40 West Lupin. And this is only the view from the second floor. Good morning, Kensley. For those of you who don't know, that's Kensley, that's Lucas.
Hello. Cute mirror.
And that's Travis, and that's Lindsay.
Hello.
She pirouettes into the frame. And that handsome guy's me. Oh. I like the floors. Nice flush cabinets. Very cool counters. Go all the way up to these floating shelves. That is cool. Super sleek. Got the Wolf oven and range. That hood. This hardware, it's kind of hard to see. It's like hammered metal, but it's not like super abused. It just gives it this gently worn look. It's kind of like it doesn't look abused at all. It's like a lightly hammered. I'm kind of gushing a lot about this hardware. I do wish some of these cabinets had drawers that pulled out. You know, because we can complain about things in a $7 million house. Big Sub-Zero refrigerator. Lots of storage up top. Oh, they got a little Mitsubishi unit in the ceiling there. It's a very wide shiplap. This isn't shiplap, it's vertical. Is this considered shiplap? It's different when it's vertical, right?
I would still call it shiplap.
Vertical shiplap.
It feels more like it should be on a ship.
Third floor laundry. Wowee. All the information for these listings will be in the description down below. Let's turn these lights on. There we go. No nook. Oh wait, I lied. There's a nook right there. It's kind of crazy to think that you could be sitting right here. The view from the toilet is excellent. Wow. It's pretty great. Ooh, I like these counters too. It's nice, like this blue in it. Got the textured wallpaper. Let's go up to the 4th floor.
I feel like we need a little color. Brad, did you see there's shit black on the walls? Not coming through, I don't think.
Elevator goes all the way to the 4th floor.
Alright, elevator.
And this loft overlooks the stairwell. This is nice. Got a little wet bar up here. Nice fridge, Sub-Zero ice maker. Full bath. One of these. There we go. Ah. Oh, wow. It's huge. But, take note. Even ultra luxury homes still have issues with caulking. Oh, and there's a hidden bedroom back here. And there's an office. That's cool. Good view from the office. Oh, big closet, jeez. Obviously where all the everything comes to. All right, now we're gonna go out to this 4th floor balcony.
It's very nice.
It's a little chilly out here.
Hi. It is chilly. I went to put sandals on.
This is Lindsay. She is our team admin, or whatever your official title is. She's the one who keeps it all together.
Try to keep the little ducks in a row.
Just keep it all together. Y'all can't see this, but there's a little feeding pod
There is, the birds.
out over the Gulf right now. I would not be surprised to see some dolphins or something break water right there. But this house is nice.
This is nice.
It's all right, not too bad.
Lupin Beach access is over there. There's nothing past that.
I could do coffee right here.
Right?
Sweet,
Maybe go
man.
holler at Trav. He said there was not a balcony.
I'm surprised.
You didn't go up there.
I'm surprised that they have material
Yeah.
sofa,
Well,
like they're damp.
oh, yeah.
Interesting. But this is a cool little spot.
It is cool. The next one we're going to see is that blue one, I think.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, all right, so you heard it. We heard it from the boss.
Woo!
We're heading down there next.
Yeehaw! Is that like Powell? That's like Powell.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
like
Camp Helen right there.
Yes.
Cool house. Let's go check out the next one. Next victim on today's list, 112 Lupin Beach. Right next to the last public access in Walton County. I've actually taken y'all down this access before if you've watched some of my other videos, but this borders Camp Helen State Park right on the other side there. Another epoxy garage floor. Nice and textured too. Here's what this is. It's like a step up, but there's no step. Ah, storage. What is this little cabinet? gas control. Oh, I like this. I like that you walk into this little recessed entry. That's pretty cool. Elevator. Outdoor shower. No. Is this just a little soaking pool? Or y'all think it's a spa? I think it's a soaking pool.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. I see jets. Maybe so. I have to look at the equipment. Not sure when this was built, but decent amount of corrosion on the bottom there. Man, you are pretty much dead level with the dunes here. And all of these plants right here, it's a shame that it's not a little bit later in the year. All these green plants you see in the dunes are lupine, blue lupines. And when they bloom, all of these flowers are like these purple blue flowers that cover the dunes. It's really pretty. It's actually how Blue Mountain got its name. Well, let's go check out the rest of this house. A little outdoor storage area. I like that this house isn't so as white as the other one. It's got more like muted earth tones. Okay. I'm assuming it's the same builder. It feels like it's the same builder. And also feels like it's missing something right there.
Yeah.
But pretty cool.
It is very cool. I think it's really pretty.
Really nice stone. Travis was pointing these lights out in the last house. That's pretty cool. Built into the wall. A little half hallway into the half bath. Oh, this is cool. Tiled wall. That's fun. Oh yeah. Imagine Thanksgiving dinner around this table.
How's the balcony?
Good. I mean, it's cool. You can see Lake Powell.
Oh yeah, the outfall. So you can see Lake Powell flowing out over there. That would explain why the water looks that way. Yep. Lindsay knows. She's an avid paddle boarder.
Right, that's one of my favorite lakes to paddle for. You can paddle for hours and still find something.
I'm actually itching to take Luna to Camp Helen and get a kayak and just go kayaking Lake Powell. Now, this one doesn't have any cabinets or shelves.
Do you see the view from this window though?
Not yet.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I'm coming. Huge pantry. Holy smokes, this thing is massive. So wait, that's the pantry. What is this? Oh, Lord. Yeah, even more storage. I'm about to say, a good thing because there's no shelves or cabinets up here. Man, you get a nice view out into the state park. Well, you got a house on the way there, but still not bad. Another guest suites. See, this house has more color to it. Feels a little less sterile to me. A little more character. Up to the third floor now. Lindsay said to look out this window. Yeah, state park and the Gulf. There's Annie. Our newest agent.
Oh, this is really nice. Yeah, I do like.
Oh, huge, yeah.
I can laundry area.
Lots of laundry to be done.
Paper. Nice storage.
I love that they put bay windows on each one of these exterior walls.
Windows like that.
Yeah, the bay window.
They're my fave. It makes it like. Yeah, I think it's like.
Come on. There we go.
How do you open this?
Textured. And this is nice and rounded. It's pretty cool. I like that.
Are we missing something?
How to open a cabinet.
Yeah, this though is a laundry room.
Okay. Huge. Double vanity. Hello. I feel like we need all the lights on. Well, that didn't do too much, but that's pretty cool. Just a soaking tub in the middle of the room. Walk-in shower. Toilet closet. It's pretty cool. Just flex space, I guess. Another master suite. This one has a private balcony. And a huge day bed. This day bed dominates the front. Look at the size of this thing. It's huge. It takes up a third of the room. It's kind of funny. Let's go check this out. Oh, this is nice. So, you know, you figure you've got guests staying in here, or they've got their own private little place to come get a view and have a moment to themselves. Oh, somebody up on the top deck up there. It's Travis. All right. Upstairs living space. Really nice loft. Again, the shiplap, but it's like this really light taupe color. Contrasts really nicely with the white. Oh, nice. A little wet bar up here. Oh yeah, that's cool. With the like antiqued glass mirror. And then the fourth floor. This is where everybody winds up, I'm sure. Wow. So yeah, Lake Powell, right there, flows out into the Gulf. That's why this water isn't as blue right now. It's got a little greenish, brownish hue to it. It's because that fresh water pours out from the dune lake. Dune lakes are super, super rare. There's only a few places around the world that have them. We have them here. And this is all freshwater runoff, and it gets that color from all the pine trees, all the pine needles, all the tannins in it steep into the water. And then as it fills up, it flows out into the Gulf. And then the opposite will happen when tide gets high enough, and the salt water will flow into the dune lake. And that's really cool to see, because then all that darker water gets replaced with that crystal clear water, and it's like something out of the Bahama Dream or something. Do you see the size of this candle? My word. This thing legit weighs like 15 pounds. This thing's huge. It's like a bucket.
Is that a candle?
That's a candle.
Wow.
All right, little office flex space connects back here. Okay. Little closet. Bathroom. Oh, somebody forgot the punch list item. Take that blue tape off of there. Okay. Is this damage? No, it could be cleaned. Yeah, it's an incredible view of Camp Helen. Absolutely beautiful view of the dunes right here. Another closet over here with their octopus of media cables. All right, I like this one better, but on to the next one. All right, last contender on the list. This is 73 Pompano. Looks like we got a carriage house on this one. Oh yeah, I smell that gas walking up.
John, there will be a quiz on our names.
I know.
Just so you know.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so-
Probably failed that quiz.
You're all right. You're all
I'd
right.
fail it too, brother. Don't feel bad. Your name's John, and I'll forget it by the end of the day.
There you go. No problem. So I got the current rental income printed out, the expenses, and the flyer if anyone wants to take anything.
Yeah, for sure.
Properly. So this is everyone here? First
Yes.
off, I believe so.
Yes.
This is the entertaining kitchen, living, dining to service the pool.
Yes.
Why folks are at the pool deck. So 30-foot pool, 16-person covered spa.
Yeah, it's a huge hot tub.
Oh, yeah. Can we go out, John?
Please.
Yeah, you have to
Will
hit-
the alarm sound?
You're good.
Okay.
Go ahead and go.
Can we get in the pool? No, I'm just kidding.
I don't think I'd want to.
I'm like, I'm sure. This one, yeah. Fine. You can get in this one. Yeah.
If it's on.
You can see the seat.
Yeah, so this is a hot tub. This thing is huge. This is amazing. So right on the other side of this little hedge right here is the drive in between the beach access. So the views from up here will be of the beach, but from down here, no beach views. That's a hefty utility bill to heat that spa.
January, February, March.
I like the vibe in here. It's fun.
Very surferish. Is there another
Absolutely. This
Surfery, surfer-ish. Okay, another elevator. This little stone pebble floor. This is really cool tile, and then this goes outside. This is cool.
very. Oh, that's where.
Is this your house, Lucas?
We're like, where's Lucas? In the gym. Yeah. There's a gym in the garage. Here, Russ, I got you.
Oh, thanks, Bill. Smells like rubber. It is pretty sweet. Is this the owner's closet?
It's one they keep locked.
That's pretty cool. I've never seen them before like that. Like a smart handle. It's like a little USB port in the side of it.
It's a mirror of the other one that's not locked.
Yeah, that's really cool.
See how it's finished out.
Yeah.
That was a very thoughtful choice.
Oh. Ooh.
Oh, yeah, ooh, ah.
The grab.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow, it just keeps going.
I'd poop in there.
100%. Triple S room right there.
Oh, I don't have my... I'm doing y'all a serious disservice. I forgot to put my wide angle lens on. There you go. Now we can see more of the house. I didn't even notice they had a little fireplace out there. It's a good sized room for the first floor. And then these walls, this isn't wallpaper, this is actual dimensional. Let me pop back in here now that I got the wide angle. It's really cool.
I mean, you're talking, some of them are just like 3 people that want to live in a house.
What a lot of them too, one space for the whole family, another person is for Thanksgiving. Yeah.
Okay. Second floor. Okay, So I just heard the agent downstairs. The entire second floor is bedrooms. And sounds like the main living and dining is up higher. Me. So there's your view. Conveniently located behind all this bush. And it's pretty nice, this whole balcony connects, so all these bedrooms share this big balcony along the back. Closet space, the pocket door. Notice like every room has these, gosh, what are they called? It's like the art print TVs. It's like that matte finish. I'll remember the name as soon as I stop recording. Or comment down below, let me know what it is. Elevator. I like that. I mean, the bathrooms are all pretty much identical, but they've got different tile choices and different finishes to help differentiate them a little bit. The floor talks a little bit right there. Another laundry in here. And then what's behind here? Oh, the bathroom. Oh, wow. Holy smokes. Thing's huge. And this probably isn't even the master. Wow. The size of this thing. This thing's massive. Huge. Okay, they put that dimensional accent wall. Swinging day bed. This is a huge, very sizable outdoor living space, like massive. Yeah, for scale, there's Travis, who's about 7 feet tall. And I think we got some bunk rooms up on the north side. Storage. It's a nice little use of space, little seating nook right there. I'd imagine you need a lot of linen closets in a house this big. Okay. This is the bathroom for the bunk room then. Oh, there's 2 bunk rooms. Holy smokes. Okay, so directly across the hall, we've got 2 twin over twin built-ins. Jeez. Big closet in too. And then in here, you've got, I can't know if that's queen or fold. I think that's queen. Queen over queen, and then another twin over twin built in over here. So it's not a carriage house. It's the bunk room that's over the garages. Okay, and then they've got their own little balcony. Wow. Sleep a lot of people in here. Did I miss this one? It's another bathroom? It's another bathroom. My God. And we're only on the 2nd floor. Let's go see the 3rd now. Love these ceilings. Okay, here we go. Now we're to the main living space. Whoa. Okay, 2 dining room tables, because one's not enough. We'll start in the kitchen. See, this one, the hood Has some style to it. Waterfall counter. It's kind of, man, that black just really sticks out, and it matches the fireplace down at the other end, but that really sticks out with all like the natural tones and whites. Pretty cool. Cellar butler's pantry in here. Smart. Nice farm sink. Brass fixtures. Or copper. Oh, that's brass. Oh, I see. Okay. We've got fridge and freezer on both sides, which makes sense if you have 2 dining room tables. Wow, this is a really, really impressive space. That is beautiful. Your eyes are instantly drawn up. I mean, this is fantastic. This fireplace is beautiful. And then there's a whole bar over here. Jeez. With the mirrored backs and the cabinets. And all looking out over the Gulf like that. This is a really impressive house. There's so much living space in this house, both indoor and outdoor. So just like in the balcony below, it extends all the way out. Just huge. It got really windy. Blew these cushions off the sofa. But again, I'm surprised they have fabric out here. I guess this is like all weather fabric. I mean, it's surprising.
Oh, close to a year now.
Okay.
Progress. Dude.
Yeah, they open all the way up. Yeah,
Yeah.
they accordion open.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you have another balcony in the front that probably nobody will use. That's why it's locked. But if you wanted to, you could come out here. Wonder how many people really enjoy a view to the north at the beach. Wait, there's a hallway here. I missed this. This house keeps going. Okay. Elevator right here. Okay, interesting counter. In the bathroom. All right, now to the 4th floor. Let's go see penthouse suite. Okay, another bunk room. Wow, triple twin bunks. Holy smokes, 6 bodies. This is so fun. These doors are so much shorter. Just step out there in a second because I like that. Fun bathroom. Yeah, kids would love this. And then another, holy smokes, this is a twin over a king, which I didn't even know was a thing. Does it also have a bathroom? No, it's a closet, okay. All right, let's go out to this 4th floor balcony. Yeah, you can imagine being a kid, having a space like this to yourself. Super, super cool. So there you have it. Like I mentioned, I've got links to all of these properties in the description down below, so feel free to poke around in there. I got my contact information if you got any questions. These are incredible houses. I mean, for all intents and purposes, 2 Gulf front and then 1 a street back, but I would argue this house is nicer than the first one we looked at. But this is a really cool house, lots of great finishes, and I mean, this is what everyone wants. This is why they have the price tags they do. But really excellent houses. These are legacy homes. These are the type of homes that people kind of treat as bank accounts when they reach a certain level of success. And this is something that they can spend years, if not generations, with their family. But as always, if you like this, please share it with your friends. Share it with somebody that you think would appreciate it. Like it, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. God bless you guys.